Hey everyone and welcome back, and in this video we are going to be discussing about how to connect n8n to ElevenLabs. So this is going to be pretty easy. Let's just begin. So first of all, as you can see, I have created this node over here and I'm going to be simply connecting it with ElevenLabs. So to do that, you can see if I simply search in the actions in an app section for ElevenLabs, let's just head over to there and search in here for ElevenLabs. So you will be basically get to know that there is no as such application or integration available, and that is because as of now n8n does not support ElevenLabs. So it is going to be a problem that is we're going to be solving today. So you can see in the list we cannot find ElevenLabs anywhere. So yeah, so the only thing that you are going to be doing is simply head over to ElevenLabs official site, elevenlabs.com or io, whatever it is. Okay, so once you are here, you're going to be simply heading over to your API section, and you can find it at the bottom left side of your screen. And you can see we have multiple options on top as well, but that is not where we are going to be finding API. As you can see here, we got the APIs. We're going to be generating our token here and simply copying this, right, and pasting it in n8n, and that is, my friend, gonna be enabling us to connect n8n with ElevenLabs. So if you want to simply use n8n, you can use the link in the description below to get the huge discount. Make sure to get access to that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.